What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be putting the subframe back on. That's how it is so far. It's almost saying. Alright, you guys, and just like that, it's back together. And it's looking beautiful. As you can see, I went ahead and put the brake booster on and the clutch master cylinder. And I got a couple of other things I got to put back in there before we start putting the engine back in there. The guy just mailed me my harness, I think today, because he was I bought it from Miller Imports, and I guess he was just trying to wait and see to find me and send me a really good one instead of just sending me a crappy one. But I mean, I'm a little bit upset, but really not, because he's, you know, he's gonna send me a good one. But anyhow, so that's it, guys. There it is. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to click a like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching. Peace.